If you're an editor, then you need a cool sounds to get viral on any social media platform. Whenever you're watching edits on social media and you are thinking about to get music, don't worry guys. Today we will use Musick.AI to get the music that will help you make music, and most importantly, you can make money through this AI. Thanks to this AI, you can create music for your workplace, your favorite celebrity, or your edits. If you want to see how it is, watch the video until the end. First, you need to open an account for yourself. Choose the type of music you want above and write a few words about the music you want. For example, Maldini, Messi, whatever. I want to prepare an edit or promotional video, so I write the words I want here. Your song is ready in 5 minutes in 2 different ways.
A legend did the defect, firm as a rock. Milan's heart cleats hit the asphalt. Opponents see the wall, heads start to chalk. In Paulo's shadow, they all stumble, drop and balk. Mercenary captain commanded the fleet. In his prime, no striker could compete. Pure class, from the head down to the feet. Grass stains tell stories, victories bittersweet. On the pitch, Maldini reigns supreme. Tackles crisp like a fresh game dream. Opposition's nightmare. Legend in the defense, firm as a rock. Milan's heart beats hit the asphalt. Opponents see the wall, hands start to chalk. In Paulo's shadow, they all stumble, dropping ball. Mercenary captain, commanded the fleet. In his prime, no striker could compete. Pure class, from the head down to the feet. Grass stains tell stories, victories bittersweet. On the pitch,
I just typed Paolo Maldini, and Musick.AI added words related to defense or rossoneri. That's why it's so good. You can get a subscription to download your music. Also, subscriptions are quite cheap compared to other AI applications. I prepared a short clip just for an example. Now let's look at the version with and without music.
A legend did the defect, firm as a rock. Milan's heart cleats hit the asphalt. Opponents see the wall, heads start to chalk. In Paulo's shadow, they all stumble, drop and balk. Mercenary captain commanded the fleet. In his prime, no striker could compete. Pure class, from the head down to the feet. Grass stains tell stories.
Let's try another type of music now. This time, I will show you how to make a song for your own workplace.
Down to Shinies where the lights are bright, flipping burgers sizzling in the night. People lined up for that tasty bite. We'll be here until the morning light. Shiny makes the burgers so fine. Secret sauce that'll blow. Down at Shinies where the lights are bright, flipping burgers sizzling in the night. People lined up for that tasty bite. We'll be here until the morning light. Shiny makes the burgers so fine. Secret sauce that'll blow your mind. Taste the magic in each perfect line.
I made a short sample clip here. You can choose clips compatible with the song you will make.
People lined up for that tasty bite. We'll be here until the morning light. Shiny makes the burgers so fine. Secret sauce that'll blow your mind. Taste the magic in each perfect
This is my favorite part about Musick.AI. Now we will make a Phonk in 5 minutes. You can use the Phonk music you create in your edits or upload it to your YouTube channel and earn money. Write the album name you want here. I wrote something random. I wrote a sentence in Portuguese for Phonk. This is just an example. You can write more words in any language you want.
Dá sua buceta pros moleque de meiota. 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 Dá pros moleque de meiota. Dá sua buceta pros moleque de meiota. Dá sua buceta pros moleque.
You can get a subscription to download your music. Also, subscriptions are quite cheap compared to other AI applications. AI link is in the description. Log in now and start making the music you want.
Vai dar sua buceta pros moleque de meiota. Vai dar sua buceta pro 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 moleque de meiota. Vai dar sua buceta pros moleque de meiota. Vai dar sua buceta pros moleque de meiota. De meiota.
Here is the Discover section. You can view, download, and listen to songs created by other users. Like Musick.AI. Musick.AI cheaper than other AI apps. You can also try out for free. You get 3 free credits. The AI link is underneath this video. Musick.AI is accessible on both PC and mobile devices. So what are you waiting for? Check out Musick.AI and have fun with it.